Hello, in this video I'll show you how to beat Goalkeeper with Elastico. In the beginning, to perform Elastico, the player has to have 5 stars. To perform Elastico, while you are rushing to the right side, push the right analog downwards and upwards, like this. If you are rushing to the left side, push it in the opposite direction, from downwards to upwards. Now, we have to time the goalkeeper perfectly, otherwise he will catch the ball. It's best if you sprint before. But don't sprint while performing this action because the player will just throw the ball out. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.